All right, today we're making this EUD bridge. An EUD bridge is a mounting platform for an end user device like a smartphone, typically used for tactical maps or ATAC tracking and information display. So this is going to go on your chest, in between your chest rig straps, and then you usually put a phone mount like a Juggernaut case or like a Persistent Systems flip down case. I just have a cheap Amazon Persistent System phone case knockoff, but these Molle slots here are designed to accept that phone case, and then you mount your smartphone to it and then flip the smartphone down. This one that we're making today is actually a dupe of, someone already makes something extremely similar to this. I won't name it exactly, but I don't believe they make it anymore. I bought one off eBay. I'm really happy with it, but it doesn't attach well to the default Mayflower chest rig H harness, so I wanted to make one that fit it really well. A couple other people make something similar. Haley Strategic and Spiritus Systems make their own EUD bridge. They're a little more intricate than this design, so wanted to keep it kind of simple. This is pretty easy to draw up in Inkscape and get the 3 pieces cut out. So 2 pieces and then the Velcro here, and then obviously just 1-inch strap and some hardware, some G-hooks and some Molle T's. But I'm really happy with it. I wish the original company that made these still made them. They're really solid. I'm going to keep using the one that I have, but just not with the existing H harness that I have. All right, here's the materials you're going to need. We've got the Squadron Laminate cut out, and this is just Cordura 1000D Cody Brown. And then we cut some of this 4-inch Velcro down to shape, and then this is going to go, it's going to get sewn on top of that spot there. And then I'm going to use these G-hooks for the bottom, and then I'm going to use these Molle T's for the top. This is going to be clipping onto a Mayflower chest rig, the H harness for that. So this is kind of, different and one-off. You can do buckles if you want, buckles up top and then buckles up bottom. So one of the first things that we're going to be doing is sewing this, box pattern around, because once we attach these 2 pieces, we're not going to want to stitch anywhere other than in between the rows of Molle. So I can't have these attached together and then sew a box stitch around this, because that would effectively block each row from being its own individual row. So we're going to do that first. Okay, we've got that sewn on. You can see we lined up the slots here. Very important that you do that part so you can use that. Okay, we're actually going to maybe tack these in place. Well, just a quick tack, and then get the back panel sewn together. Alright, for this, I'm just going to do a quick seal right there to keep this thing in place while we do the rest. Let's just make sure that those are nice and even. Guess it would be better to do it this way. All right, now for the upper strap, I actually want these at a little bit of an angle. So I've made some marks here, just so I know where to tack them on. We'll tack this one on and then we'll tack the other one on. Okay, now we've got all the hardware attached, at least temporarily, until we sew the back panel on. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. We'll just flip this over. This is the inside. And then just lining this part up is really important, obviously, but we'll just go ahead and sew around, and then we're going to sew up each row of Molle. Okay, that's how it turned out. Not too bad. Overall decent. It feels, hefty, but it's also, lightweight. It feels, stiff enough, right? It's gonna hold your phone case, and you can flip your phone down. But yeah, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Don't forget to head over to the website and get the laser file. It is free. You just have to enter your email to subscribe to our website. All right, so here it is mounted to my Mayflower chest rig. You can see it just attaches to the H-harness straps. The Molle T's go right through these comms, cable, routing, kind of Molle slots. And then the G-hooks attached to these like verticals. So this chest rig, the H-harness, has these vertical or horizontal, my bad. I have a really bad headache today. So yeah, not a typical design. Most of the time these are, facing up, right? Up and down. So that's what made attaching something to this kind of difficult. And that's kind of why this, custom design. You can use these holes to, secure it even further through those, vertical Molle straps, horizontal, whichever one they are. I don't care at this point. But yeah, that's kind of, what it looks like attached to the rig. Let's go ahead and put the EUD case on there. All right, here's what it looks like with the case on it. You can just see, it's attached with Molle. It's four slots tall. So you have a little bit extra room here with the extra slot there. But yeah, that's what it looks like. All set up, ready to go. It's pretty solid.